I'm live. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to another weekly market update. I'm your host, Mark Yegge. We are having a great week. And, I guess the market's pulling back a little teeny weeny bit. It's like the first week that it's really kind of hasn't been going full forward, but it has been kind of a weak sell-off today. I mean, the NASDAQ is down, but the New York Stock Exchange and the S&P 500 are up, something like that. The Dow is up. Anyway, so just a couple things are down. And a couple of things are up. So it's not a big, wide sell-off like we normally get when the Fed speaks their truth, I guess we'll call it. But anyway, I hope you're having a great week. Let me show you what we've been talking about here today. Just got off a great call with my mastermind group, and we talked about this market, which right now is yellow. And so we're seeing a couple yellow lights and a couple green lights. Who knows where it's going to end up? Today's a pivotal day. We'll see. But that's a short-term indicator. Right now, we're looking at a NASDAQ composite that's coming up on a golden cross soon. It's above the 200-day moving average. It's above the 50. It's above the 10. The only thing it's dropped below is the 21-day moving average. So the NASDAQ is actually fairly strong, even though we've got 5 out of 6 days in a row that it's down. But it's not down a lot. And it, look at this big streak up that it had over here on the left. So I'm not too worried about the NASDAQ. The S&P 500, look at this, pretty strong chart, right? It's above the 50, above the 200. We had a golden cross here last week where the red line crossed above the black line, the 50 crossed above the 200. That's bullish. We've got the Dow Jones Industrial that went golden cross like a month ago. It's hanging above the 50-day moving average. That's a strong signal. We've got the New York Stock Exchange composite that looks the same. Nice, strong signal, probably the strongest of all of them now. They're all kind of converging. The Dow was leading for a while. Now the NASDAQ's kind of coming up. The NASDAQ's still lagging, but it's coming up. The S&P and the New York Stock Exchange, very broad indexes. They're doing well. That's kind of showing that we're in a market that you're not going to believe it if you listen to the TV people, but if we're kind of in a bull market. And I don't know how long it's going to stay. People say it's a head fake. It's a bear market rally. It's going to go back down. Hey, it might. But all I'm saying is that we've been down for 13 months and the market's already looking in the future and discounting whatever recession they say we're going to have, discounting the inflation we have. They've had a year to put that into the prices. And now a lot of these companies have said, we're revising our numbers down. The analysts, the companies, they revise the numbers down. And so in a couple of quarters, when they start reporting their numbers, they might blow away their revised down numbers because maybe the stock market or the economy is maybe doing a little bit better. So that's basically the index in the nutshell, the market in the nutshell. I hope that helps you make your decisions. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thanks for joining me here on the weekly market update here in the Wealth Investors Club and in the Cash Flow Machine. Sure hope you have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye.